po.
Why will you insist on building them condominiums when you can distribute the land to them 500 a month lang? Ang babayaran nila. Why will you insist on building condominium? Dahil kikita ka doon sa contractor ng condominium na may porsyento ka doon, kaya pinag-i-insist mo yung condominium. O bakit nyo ini-insist ang condominium? Payag naman yung mahihirap na i-distribute na lang yung land sa kanila, and that's 500 a month. Nakalagay sa mandate nyo to help the poor and the homeless. But the poor and the homeless cannot afford the condominium. Why not distribute the land under the community mortgage program na 500 a month lang ang ano nila? Ba't ayaw nyo nun? O, paaalisin nyo doon sa lupa, tatayuan nyo ng kondo. Saan nyo dadalhin yung hindi kayang magbayad sa kondo? O, di homeless na naman yon. Hindi ba unfair sa kanila? Pinaalis mo doon sa lupa na tinatayuan nila, tatayuan mo ng kondo, tapos ibibigay mo sa middle class, tapos yung mga mahihirap, wala na naman bahay. You have to reconsider what you're doing. I think it's wrong.
Yes, Mr. President. I think sa tulong ng Senado, dito sa mga budget plenaries natin, naisusulong natin yon. Hindi lang yung reconsideration, pero yung redesigning din mismo ng 4PH program.
I think we have done the community mortgage program in
Yes.
Las Piñas for I think 30 years, and it's very successful. We just give them the land. They don't want the condominium. They just want to have a land to build their houses on, and if they cannot build nice houses today, they'll just try to earn so that in the future they can build houses in the land. But what they want is the land, that they will not be hindi sila magigibado sa land where they are staying now, and they're willing to pay for the land. Why don't we do that? Why do we have to build condominiums on their lands which they cannot afford? Before kasi, yung aming CNP program, we're just giving land to the poor and the homeless. And they will try to save money to build their homes, better homes in the future. And ang amortization lang noon, 500 pesos a month. So they can afford it. The poor and the homeless, they can afford it. Even the tricycle driver and the mga nagtitinda sa palengke. But now, they are prioritizing condominium. Ang condominium, ang mahal. It's for the middle class. It's not for the poor. Tapos paaalisin nila doon sa lupa yung poor, lalagyan nila ng condominium. Saan nila dadalhin yung poor?